and thank you for tuning in. When your custom-made sign arrives in the mail, open the contents. You should have a baggie full of some chain links, some instructions, and some Velcro. Check all your parts and pieces. Make sure there's nothing missing and nothing was damaged during shipping. If you find that you do have any issues, please contact me as soon as possible. The hanger itself has two very strong magnets inlaid in the back side, and when attaching to your tent, just be a little careful you don't get your fingers pinched in there. It will come with two Velcro straps which are adjustable. You can adjust them to the thickness of the leg of your tent, and there is a slot built right into the hanger for the Velcro to slide through. You will have two chain links, one for the left side, which is only 6 links long, one for the right side, which is 8 links long. These will easily snap into your quick release carabiners. Then take your main sign, the circular sign, which also has the quick release carabiners on there. Slide your links in place. Give it a little tug just to make sure everything is secure. If you have any drop down signs, they will have 3 links for each side. Click those in place and then hang your drop down signs. Once your sign is in place, stand back and enjoy. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me.